Hi, this is Iram from The Dynamic. Well, we had been talking about the success ratio of our sales pitch. I have told you that one should be a good listener whenever it comes to sales point of view. We should listen to the customer's demand. We should then accordingly suggest them according to fit into their shoes. Then second point was like that we should accommodate them according to their budget bracket and facilitate them. One thing which I left was like, you know what, we have to think of this thing and treat the customer as a king. You know what, we are nothing without the customer, we are nothing without the clients. So, I also talked about that sales call. The sales call should be according to the ease of the client. Here also comes the customer ease. Now, customer is the king. You know, whenever you are expecting a meeting or making a plan of having a meeting with the customer, always ask his ease. So coming to the point, the customer is the king. You have to have all the knowledge about the products. You have to facilitate the customer. It's not necessarily that the customer, if he is far away from you and he cannot come to you, the point is like you can provide the all knowledge on telephone or through text message or whatever, because our customer is our king. Because without customers, we are nothing. So when a customer, for this matter of fact, you know what, the ambiance is also very important. When the customer steps into the office of any building, who are providing consultancy, the ambiance should be so friendly, so accommodating that he should feel a homely feeling. Where it starts from the ambience, then comes the client dealing, the public dealing. Whoever is the customer relationship manager should be like, you know, very welcoming, should be having very good PR and have very much public relationship manager should be like, you know what, this much competent enough that he should facilitate the client. He should, you know, make him feel like homely feeling that should be there. And so as the client would tell you the details and depth of that, like what he has gone through previously, what experiences, bad or good, whatever he has experienced. And then this, you know, it's not necessary to have a successful relationship. Successful relationship means like your success story is there. But you know what, the customer remembers you afterwards even because of your good talk, because of your behavior, because of the ambiance. You leave behind an impression. You know, it's not necessarily that it's a success story of your work permit or your student clientage or anything. But you know what, he is going to be your marketing manager by itself, unpaid marketing. Whenever he is going to go outside, sit with some people and there is going to be a talk about, general talk is going on, people do discuss their ideas and their experiences. He is going to definitely tell his experience at your institution. So it is very important. यहाँ पे मैं ये कहना चाह रही हूँ कि सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि सबसे पहले आप अपने कस्टमर को फुल फ्लज सुने कि उसकी डिमांड क्या है, उसे एक ऐसा फीलिंग दे कि वो एक किंग है. आप उसकी बात को सुने, उसकी बात को महसूस करें और वही तकलीफ महसूस करें जो कि आपको अगर उस तकलीफ से गुजरे हो वो महसूस हो. जब वो उसका दिल आपसे मुतमईन होगा तब वो आपको काम देगा. साथ ही मैं ये बात करना चाह रही हूँ कि जब भी कोई बंदा आपके पास आता है उसे आप एक ऐसा माहौल दें, ऐसी अम्बियास, ऐसा कि उसे एक होमली फीलिंग आए. अब अगर ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो आपको काम दे के गया है कि हमने सिर्फ काम तक महदूद रहना है. हमसे आके अपने लोग अपनी पर्सनल बातें, अपने वो फैमिली इश्यूज डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, आप सुने, उनको अच्छा लग रहा है आपसे बात करके. वो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हम सिर्फ इसीलिए सुने कि हमारा वर्क परमिट सेल होगा तो ही हमने सुनना है, हमें स्टूडेंट मिल रहा है तो ही हमने सुनना है. नहीं, हम बैठे हैं सुनने के लिए. हमारा काम है सुनना, हमारा काम है उनकी मसाइल का हल ढूंढना, हमें उनको आसानियाँ प्रोवाइड करना अगर हम किसी के लिए आसानी पैदा कर सकते हैं. बात यहाँ तक आ गई. अब ये नहीं है कि हमारा वर्क परमिट सेल हुआ, ये नहीं है कि हमें स्टूडेंट मिला. ज़रूरी ये नहीं है. ज़रूरी ये है कि वो हमसे क्या लेकर गया, हमसे कैसी एक्सपेक्टेशंस लेके गया, हमारे लिए क्या राय कायम करके गया. क्योंकि जब वो चार बंदों की ये फितरत है, वो चाहे औरतें हैं चाहे मर्द है, उनकी फितरत है. जब वो चार लोगों में जाकर बैठेंगे वो अपना एक्सपीरियंस ज़रूर शेयर करेंगे. तो इस तरह से हमें अनपेड मार्केटिंग मिल गई. हमने किया क्या, हमने सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक अच्छी सर्विस प्रोवाइड की जो कि हमारा काम है, हमारी टॉप प्रायोरिटी है. साथ ही हमने एक सर्विस भी प्रोवाइड कर दी और हमने एक लोगों को बता दिया कि ये भी एक इंस्टीट्यूशन है कि जहाँ पर आप जाकर एक अच्छा मशवरा, एक अच्छी राय हासिल कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. कीप वॉचिंग, कीप लाइक. keep subscribing us. This is Ziram signing off. Allah Hafiz.